Hello there, people of YouTube. Welcome to my new review of the Jamis Komdo Sport. This bike is equipped with 27.5 plus wheels. It's running boost spaced rims, so that's fantastic. So let's move in. Up in the cockpit, we got a Ritchie Trail stem, Ritchie Trail bars, which are both fantastic products. The bars are actually, I think, 720 millimeters wide. Moving into the shifters, we have Shimano Diora's shifting levers, I guess. Those are actually really cool, as you can treat it as an index, a thumb, or an index shifter. Like so. So, moving on, we got some Tektro brakes. Now, these aren't Agrias, they're just normal mineral oil brakes. But they seem to do the trick pretty well. Coming down here, we have 120 millimeters of travel on a Suntour XCR fork. That actually is running a 12 millimeter through axle up front and a 180 millimeter disc rotor. So that's pretty good. Now we're also running WTB Ranger 3-inch wide tires on WTB scraper rims. This bike has internal cable routing, so it's a nice feature there. So moving on down, we have a Suntour bottom bracket with Suntour XCM Plus spaced cranks. So essentially, that allows the cranks to get some extra clearance back here, because the frame needs to be wider to allow for 3-inch tires. Attached to that, this bike actually does come with some pedals. They're fairly cheap. I don't know if they're aluminum or steel, but they're not great. Bearings are pretty gritty. You can see there, it's moving on its own just because the bearings are sticky. So that's not fantastic. I'm going to be replacing those with some race face chesters here in a week or so. So moving on back, we have those same Tektro brakes running actually a 160 millimeter disc. So now, still got the same rim, the same tire out back. So moving around to the other side of the bike, we're running a 2x10 Shimano Diora drivetrain. That shifts real smooth. It's real nice. Got the Diora Shadow back here. And there's that 10-speed cassette. Standard chain. Running that same crank, and then there's that 2x. I think it's a 30 tooth is the small ring, and I think the big ring's a 36 tooth. Not super sure on that. And again, there's that Diora front derailleur. Up here, we have a Ritchie Trail seat post. Now, that's actually pretty solid seat post. I think it's like a $50 seat post on its own. So yeah, not bad. And then up here, we have a WTB Volt saddle. It's a really nice saddle, pretty affordable. Yeah, it's real nice, so nothing wrong there. And oh yeah, also on the back, we do also have through axles. So basically, those through axles give you a lot more stiffness in the ride, in a good way. So yeah, overall, this is a great bike. It's got modern trail geometry on it, right? It's running a 68-degree head tube angle, which can be steepened or slackened by running more or less travel. More travel making it slacker, less travel making it steeper. It's running on an aluminum frame. Jamis does have their Dragon series, which is actually a chromoly bike series. And those are pretty great bikes too. But anyways, this is a budget bike, coming in at only $1,000, and it's held up really well. It's up there with those more expensive bikes, and it shares geometry with those expensive bikes as well. So, yeah. Another fantastic value feature of this bike is actually those derailleurs, right? Running Diora front and rear. Now, most bikes that run 2xs in this price bracket cheap out on that front derailleur, right? They're usually running something like a Shimano Atlas. This one's also running a Diora up front. So pretty fantastic. I got this bike from the Freewheeler Bike Shop. I highly recommend them if you live around Grand Rapids. Yeah, they hooked me up with this bike with a real nice deal. Got it for $800, so it's $200 off. But overall, fantastic bike, and I highly recommend it. So, signing off. See you later.